The best insurance policy for the future of an industry is research, which will help it to foresee future lines of development, to solve its immediate problems, and to improve and cheapen its product, said by Sir Harold Harley.
Sure India Development Corporation is just not an entity, it's a revolutionary step towards a progressive India. SIDCO for you. Sure India Development Corporation SIDCO is a growing enterprise focused on fulfilling the most basic needs of people of India. We are a market research and project outsourcing company working to develop the human capital of the country. We are engaged in research work aimed at raising awareness about government schemes as well as promoting our self-developed product and services. We are also actively involved in analyzing and studying the best services and products of private companies. In a country like India, which has population of above 138 crores and which is divided into 29 states and 7 union territory governed under a federal system, it becomes difficult for the government to implement different policies designed for the welfare of the people. To implement the policies effectively, what is required is correct data from each and every household of the country. The private sector companies also comes up with various products and services which are directly helpful to the society, but even they fail to reach each and every corner of the country and expand. At SIDCO, we have developed a unique business model and created a public-private awareness schemes where we will be serving the people of the country with various beneficial projects introduced by government, public and private enterprises. Below are the segments we are working in to fulfill our mission: health, education, agriculture, earning. Our team of young volunteers gathered information related to the public schemes and the beneficial private projects with the help of awareness programs and door-to-door survey. We try to assure that every India is a sure Indian availing the best benefits applicable for his category. We have introduced membership cards for each of the above services, and on taking that memberships, the sure India can avail of all the benefits under the particular card. Vision. World Bank says, we can end extreme poverty and creating more inclusive society by developing human capital. This requires investing in people through nutrition, healthcare, education, job and skills. We at Sure India follow and believe the policy of World Bank. Our mission is to become the biggest data curator and employer of the country, where we can collect, preserve, analyze and use every possible data and share it with the state governments, helping them to develop future strategies. We will also be creating at least one job in every village. Services: research and development analytics, project development, outsourcing services, sales development services, awareness services, market research, social research, organizational research, health schemes development, agriculture development, new and renewable energy development schemes, education development schemes. Our core team: founder Ravi Jaiswal, partner Ms. Nasreen Jahan, business head Anup Kumar Modak, operations manager Alif Rahman, HR executive Priya Das, reporting manager Raki Chakraborty, HR trainer and coordinator Debashri Dao, Management Executive Rohit Shah, Research and Development Manager Deepak Saho, HR Recruiter Devi Priya Mondal. Success stories: active members of TAI, active members of NASCOM, registered with Startup India, team strength of 650 plus employees in 14 months spread across Bengal, recognized among top 50 research companies in India by Startup India, recognized as best emerging startup. Membership.
Health Assure.
Health Assure is a membership program where we provide facility related to health. Benefits of Health Assure: rupees 499 plus GST yearly. Personal accidental insurance 1 lakh hospitalization. Registration in the government health schemes through us at no extra cost. 10 to 20% discount on medicines, pathology labs, clinic, private nursing. Volunteering funding for major critical illness. Sati Hath Badhan program. Routine free health checkup every 3 months. Benefits of Health Sure Smart rupees 999 plus GST yearly. All the above plus. Free full body routine checkup by best doctors at our dedicated health camp once in a year. Avail our medical tourism service at special rates. Benefits of HealthSure Advance Rupees 1999 plus GST yearly. All the HealthSure Smart Services plus. Volunteering funding for major critical illness Sati Hath Badhan program. Routine free health checkup every 3 months. Special surprise gift. Entry to our Fit Indian contest with prize money of 50,000 rupees. AgriSure. AgriSure is a program of farmers to ensure develop of farming and agriculture. Our specially trained Krish Mitras offering relevant farming information and knowledge. Benefits of AgriSure Rupees 499 plus GST yearly. Training programs on organic farming. Soil testing facility. Enrollment to government's agriculture schemes through us at no extra cost. Crops insurance facility. Low-cost seeds and fertilizers purchasing at your doorstep through Krish Mitra.
EduSure.
Our voluntary known as Siksha Mitra are engaged in analyzing and implementation of the new education policy.
Benefits of EduSure.
Rupees 999 plus GST yearly. Personal accidental insurance 1 lakh hospitalization. Home tutor search through our web app. Process student credit card with up to 25,000 rupees credit limit. NSDC and Skill India Career Counseling through our Siksha Mitra for free. International Studies consultation and counseling for free. Student search for teachers offering home tuitions. Registration in government health schemes through us with no extra cost. 10 to 20% discount on medicines, pathology lab, clinic, private nursing. Routine free checkup every 3 months.
EarnAssure.
We consider income to be the most vital factor among us all because survival is the first call of any human being.
Benefits of EarnAssure.
999 plus GST yearly. Personal accident insurance 1 lakh hospitalization. Free registration of your profile for job search in our web app. NSDC and Skill India Career Counseling through our Karma Mitra for free. International job consultation and counseling for free. Work from home offers for housewives. Regular job updates by SMS, WhatsApp. Registration in government health schemes through us at no extra cost. Business ideas for youth and self-employed with full setup of consultation. MSME and Skill India guidelines for free. Business registration and establishment support through Karma Mitra. Special earning schemes and module under Atmanirbhar Bharat.